Hey guys, Mike Pingleton for Team Micro Heli RC, team representative. A few tips for you guys that are new to the soldering world. I like to start out by pre-tinning my wire.
Hey guys, Mike Pingleton.
And that's what I'm doing here. You take and add your heat to the wire. Get your tip all nice and clean. Just want to heat it up until when you touch the solder to the wire, it should suck into the wire or flow into the wire. It takes a few minutes to get it warm, but as you can see, it just takes it right in, no problems.
Really, kitty.
My wonderful cat there. Another thing for you new guys, when you're working with batteries, be really careful, because you touch these wires together, they're going to want to stick together because of the current flow, and it's a good way to blow up a battery and cause a fire, hurt yourself. So just take precaution. I mean, that's why I use these little extra alligator clips with the holders here, little third hand. Pick them up about any electronic shop or anything like that. Now we're going to pre-tin the connector here.
These heat up.
These heat up a lot quicker, so you'll see the solder just go right on like nothing. Keep your tip nice and clean. Wipe off all the excess solder on it. Now before you put your connector on, you want to make sure that you put your shrink wrap down toward the battery. Just slide it over the end and push it all the way down, because the heat from the soldering gun will actually cause it to shrink. So push it as far away as you can. Get things reset here. Sorry for the wonderful shot of my big huge hand.
Make sure you put your shrink wrap on. Wrong piece.
Sorry guys, taking me a second here.
Now you just get them touching.
Good soldering iron, soldering station, and even with the cheapies that you can buy, you know, $10, $15 iron, it's good enough to do what you need. Now when you're putting them together, you want to try to touch them both, and you'll see the solder start to melt, and they should just kind of, just like the solder into the wire, it'll suck together. I like to add just a little bit to make sure I got a good joint.
Voila.
Now if you don't heat up both pieces at the same time, you're going to end up with a cold joint, and that's going to end up breaking on you later. So you want to make sure you get heat onto both pieces there. Makes for a real nice little joint. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.